Hi there, I'm Savannah. I'm going to show you how to use Wide Worlds to create edits, clips, fan edits of the agency on Paramount Plus. We're going to send you this link to this campaign page, and here you can access clips from the show and some simple editing tools that help you find the top moments and make a great edit from those moments. First things first, click over to campaign details and you'll hear a little bit from us about what we're looking for in this campaign. We're gonna add some of the top posts here that will inspire you, link the trailer, and so on. Back over on the Create tab, the first section, we've created a bunch of top moments from the show and sample edits that you can get started with right away. There's tons of them. You can click through here. Every time you refresh the page, you'll get some different ones. So if you click on one of these, you load it up and you can just start editing from this top clip right away. I'll show you a little bit about how to use the editing tool. So you can change the framing. In this case, we have a 9:16 framing. There's subject tracking that I'll show you how to control and update, but you can also swap to a fill and a blur or a kind of a rounded, boxed, crop look and feel, whatever makes sense and fits the style of your page. If you have suggestions for a format that you want, please let us know. There's a hook that we've automatically added, and it should be randomized every time you reload this. So these are just inspirations for you when you download your edit. That hook you don't have to download it, bake it into the edit if you don't want, but you can edit it by clicking hook. You can select from some of the other hooks that we've added here, change the coloring and the style and size if you want. There's some captions. So if we go to the end of this video where Martian is talking, you'll see the captions pop up. By clicking captions, you can toggle those on and off, and you can also change the style for captions. We've got all kinds of styles in here that you can kind of go crazy with, play around with them and find a look and feel that makes sense for the style of edit that you want to do. Here in the clip itself, if you click these little edit controls, you'll get a lot of technical stuff related to this clip, including some of that subject tracking I mentioned earlier, to be able to crop the subject properly within the 9:16 frame. You can kind of see how that's working here and adjust those keyframes and really tune it to your liking. And then you can also adjust the clip length here. If you wanted to extend this clip, make it longer, shorter, whatever you want, that's how you can control that down here. Let's say you just wanted to swap the clip entirely, you can go do that as well by clicking swap clip, and then you can search for the perfect clip, anything that you want. I could say Martian and Sammy, search by one or more characters, find all the clips featuring them. I could search by something emotional like angsty, dramatic, action-packed, violent, romantic, whatever. So that's available for you too. So have fun with some of those edits. Oh, most important part, forgot how to download your edit. So once you're done with your edit and you like how it looks, or if you just want to remove all the captions and hooks and just download the clip itself, click download your edit and you'll be off to the races. It'll download right to your computer. The next section down here is templates. Templates are a little bit more advanced. What templates are is that we have pre-selected some audio for you and we've beat synced clips to that audio. And then what you can do is swap out the clips, pick the clips that you like, rearrange it so that you're always going to get a beat synced kind of fast cut edit to some audio that makes sense for the show very, very quickly. It hopefully saves you a lot of time. Here's an example.
I will sacrifice people, all in service of a single impossible goal.
So as you can tell from this edit, it's kind of like making your own trailer for your page. All these clips have been selected by a little agent. You can tell this agent various prompts to let this agent help you make your edit exactly to your liking. I could say replace all the clips with shots of Martian or some other character. It'll take a second, but it'll go find those clips and make those changes for you. And there it is. Every clip now features the character Martian, so it's kind of like a big Martian supercut if that's what you wanted.
I will lie. I will sacrifice people, all in service of a single impossible goal, to prove everything I felt.
Again, on this one, you can change up the captions, switch up the font, add a hook if you wanted, and then when you're ready, just click download it. If you want to give the agent some custom controls, make it more dramatic, replace clip 7 with something else, you can do that. You could rearrange these clips just by dragging and dropping them. Just like in what I showed you earlier, you can always swap out clips from the whole media library here, or you can get into the details and adjust this particular clip, the framing, the subject tracking, etc. Get in there and have some fun, and most of all, give us some feedback on how we can make this tool easier to use, more powerful, and save you more time, more personalized to your style and page. We really want to hear all of that. I really like that edit. I'm going to go back and change it and fix it up later. Last but not least, if you just want to go and explore the whole media library and download clips yourself, you can do that at the bottom. Click all clips and you'll get access to the entire season of clips for the show. So all of season 2 is loaded up in here. It's searchable, it's filterable. You can filter by most viral, most significant, most downloaded, what other editors are using the most. We've got some suggested searches in here that work really well, but you can also search for mood, vibe, location, key point in dialogue, characters, whatever you want to find the perfect clip. Just click the clip and you're going to be able to access start and end time. Click this button, expand to scene, to expand the clip start and end time to the whole scene, so you can download the whole scene, or you could create an edit with the whole scene, adjust it from there. What you could do is you can select multiple clips as well if you're searching, and then bulk download them, or you could make an edit and go back into that editing flow. That's the tool. Really excited for you to get in there and try it out and give us some feedback. Thanks.